2020 Chrysler van with code P0017, which is bank 1 sensor 2, which is the one right here, cam adjuster. So I want to show you. So this is bank 1 on the left, this is bank 2. So I got the adjuster out to check what's wrong under it. So if you look over here, let's go down a little bit. Turn this off. You can see this spring right here. It's stuck. Can't push it, and it just stuck this ball right here. It should be open and close. And look at the other one right there. See what I meant? It's open and close. So we gotta open this and see what's wrong. I'm gonna try to release it, see if it's gonna work. Okay, hold tight, I'll be back. Okay, so now I did clean it with B12 carpet cleaner and WD-40, and I also used I give it some air brusher. So to get this to go in and out easily, like you can see now. So I pushed in, and you see this hole. I spray some B12, then I give it some air brusher here, and then WD-40. Now you can see it's open and close like the. Turn this off. It's kind of blurry. Okay, if you can see better now. Like this one over here, the one in the front, the good one. So this one looks good now. So I'm going to do I'm going to flush the oil. I'm gonna do flush and change the oil and filter, and I show you the result at the end. Okay, this is the part that I just fixed. The spring was inside here, and if you couldn't fix it after you clean it or flush it, you can do flush at the beginning if you like. Some people like to do flush. It could fix if there are any debris inside or something, make the oil control valve stuck. So this was the intake side. It's the 2020 Chrysler Voyager, and this is the intake side, and here is the part number if you need it. And there is also exhaust side right here. I check all four, by the way. I press them all, make sure they're free to press in and out. So this is the exhaust and this is the intake side, and both work for both bank 1 or bank 2. Now after the oil change and what I did to the cam adjuster, now no more bending coat. Yes, Berman, that was bending before. Every time I erased it, it come back bending. And this car was an accident, so I still have to replace the grill shutter and the ambient sensor. Like you see here, all this wire is being cut. I fix all that, and then I fix the check engine. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just comment below.